Drone swarms, the future of global delivery networks, a complex perspective. Drone swarms, a coordinated group of autonomous drones working together to achieve a common goal, hold immense potential to revolutionize global delivery networks. Imagine a future where goods are delivered faster, cheaper, and more efficiently, even to remote and difficult-to-reach locations. However, the path towards this vision is paved with complex technological, logistical, regulatory, and ethical challenges. Potential benefits and promises. Enhanced efficiency and speed. Drone swarms can optimize delivery routes and schedules in real time, adapting to traffic, weather, and demand fluctuations. Their ability to fly directly to destinations bypasses traditional infrastructure limitations, leading to faster delivery times, especially for time-sensitive goods like medicine or perishables. Cost reduction. While the initial investment in drone technology and infrastructure can be significant, drone swarms have the potential to significantly reduce operational costs. Lower fuel consumption compared to traditional vehicles, reduced reliance on human drivers, and optimized route planning contribute to long-term savings. Increased accessibility. Drones excel in delivering to remote, rural, or difficult-to-access areas where traditional delivery methods are inefficient or even impossible. This opens up access to goods and services for underserved populations, improving healthcare, disaster relief, and economic opportunities. Scalability and flexibility. Drone swarms can easily scale up or down based on demand. Adding or removing drones to the network is relatively straightforward, providing flexibility to adapt to changing market needs. Reduced carbon footprint. Electric drones offer a greener alternative to gas-guzzling trucks and vans, potentially reducing the carbon footprint of delivery networks, contributing to environmental sustainability. Enhanced resilience. A swarm approach offers redundancy. If one drone malfunctions, the others can continue the mission, ensuring deliveries are completed even in challenging circumstances. Challenges and obstacles. Technological hurdles. Autonomous navigation and collision avoidance. Ensuring drones can navigate safely and autonomously in complex environments, avoiding obstacles like buildings, power lines, and other aircraft, remains a significant challenge. Swarm coordination and communication. Maintaining reliable communication and coordination between hundreds or even thousands of drones in real time requires robust and secure communication protocols. Battery, life, and payload capacity. Current battery technology limits the range and payload capacity of drones. Significant advancements are needed to enable long-distance deliveries of heavier packages. Weather dependence. Drones are susceptible to adverse weather conditions like strong winds, rain, and snow. Developing weather-resistant drones and robust weather forecasting systems are crucial. Regulatory framework. Airspace management. Integrating drone swarms into existing airspace management systems is a complex undertaking. Clear regulations and standardized procedures are needed to ensure safe and efficient airspace utilization. Safety and security. Addressing safety concerns related to drone operation over populated areas is paramount. Regulations are needed to prevent accidents, ensure public safety, and mitigate the risk of unauthorized drone usage. Privacy concerns. Drones equipped with cameras can raise privacy concerns. Regulations are needed to protect individuals' privacy and prevent unauthorized surveillance. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Liability and insurance. Establishing clear legal frameworks for liability in case of accidents or damages caused by drones is essential. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Logistical and infrastructure requirements. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Charging stations and maintenance depots. Establishing a network of charging stations and maintenance depots is crucial to support widespread drone operations. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Delivery lockers and secure landing zones. Developing secure delivery lockers and designated landing zones is necessary to ensure safe and efficient package handover. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Data management and security. Handling and securing the vast amounts of data generated by drone swarms requires robust data management systems and cybersecurity protocols. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Ethical and societal considerations. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Job displacement. The automation of delivery processes through drone swarms could lead to job displacement in the transportation and logistics sectors. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Noise pollution. The noise generated by a large number of drones operating in urban areas could become a nuisance to residents. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Security risks. Drone swarms could be vulnerable to hacking and manipulation, potentially posing security risks. Asterisk, asterisk. Future outlook. While significant challenges remain, the potential benefits of drone swarms for global delivery networks are undeniable. Overcoming these challenges requires a collaborative effort involving technology developers, regulators, logistics companies, and the public. Here's what the future might hold. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Gradual implementation. Expect a phased implementation of drone swarms, starting with niche applications like delivery to remote areas or emergency services. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Hybrid solutions. Drone swarms are likely to be integrated with existing delivery networks, complementing rather than completely replacing traditional methods. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Technological advancements. Continued innovation in battery technology, autonomous navigation, and swarm coordination will be crucial for widespread adoption. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Evolving regulations. Regulatory frameworks will need to adapt to the evolving technology landscape, balancing safety, security, and innovation. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Public acceptance. Gaining public acceptance and addressing concerns about privacy, noise pollution, and safety will be critical for successful implementation. Asterisk, asterisk. Conclusion. Asterisk, asterisk. Drone swarms have the potential to revolutionize global delivery networks, but the path to widespread adoption is complex and requires careful consideration of technological, regulatory, logistical, and ethical challenges. A balanced and forward-thinking approach will be essential to unlock the full potential of this transformative technology and shape the future of global delivery. The key lies in responsible innovation, collaboration, and a commitment to addressing the concerns and needs of all stakeholders.